Welcome to From Me to English, where English becomes simple, step by step. Do you like rainy days? Some people love the sound of rain. Some people feel sad on rainy days. And some people remember their childhood. Today, I want to tell you a very simple story. It happened on a rainy afternoon. Three friends met in a small cafe. Their names are Anna, Tom, and David. Something unexpected happened. Can you guess what it is? Stay with me until the end, and you will find out. Oh, and remember, in the description, there's a free PDF file. Inside the PDF, you can find the transcript of this story, vocabulary, and small exercises for practice. But don't open it yet. Listen to the story first. It was a rainy afternoon. The sky was gray. The streets were wet. Cars moved slowly. People walked quickly under their umbrellas. But inside a small cafe on the corner, everything was different. The cafe was warm and cozy. The lights were soft and yellow. There was the smell of fresh coffee. And soft music was playing in the background. Anna pushed open the door. She shook her wet umbrella and smiled. Her hair was a little messy from the rain. She looked around and saw Tom. He was waving from a table near the window. On the table, there was a hot cup of coffee. Steam was rising slowly. Anna walked over, sat down, and laughed.
Wow, it's raining so much today. I need something warm. I think I'll order a cup of hot chocolate.
Just as Anna was ordering, the door opened again. A tall young man walked in. It was David. His jacket was wet. His hair was wet. Even his shoes were wet. Anna laughed.
David, you are all wet. Did you forget your umbrella?
David shyly smiled.
Yes, I forgot my umbrella. I was in a hurry.
Tom laughed.
You look like a drowned cat.
The waiter gave David a towel. David dried his hair and said,
Luckily, this cafe is warm. If not, I would be sick already.
He sat down and ordered tea. He said,
On rainy days, tea is perfect.
So now, three friends sat together by the window. Outside, rain. Inside, warmth. The three friends watched the rain. Drops on the glass. The sound of water on the street. People running with umbrellas. Tom said,
Rainy days are perfect for staying inside and drinking coffee.
Anna thoughtful nodded.
Yes, and I love reading books on rainy days. The sound of rain helps me focus.
David smiled.
For me, rainy days bring back childhood memories. When I was a child, I played outside in the rain. We jumped in puddles. We laughed. It was simple. It was fun.
The friends laughed together. And what about you? What do rainy days mean to you? Do they make you happy? Or sad? Or nostalgic? Pause and think for a moment. After a while, Anna asked,
So, what are your plans for the weekend?
Tom shrugged.
I don't know. Maybe just stay at home.
Anna teased.
Tom, you are always at home.
David leaned forward.
Hey, listen, I heard there is a big concert this Sunday. It's in the park.
Anna's eyes lit up.
Really? A concert? With live music?
David nodded.
Yes, several young bands. The tickets are not expensive.
Anna clapped her hands.
That sounds amazing. Let's go together.
Tom hesitated.
But what if it rains again?
Anna laughed.
Oh, Tom, you always worry. Rain or shine, a concert is still fun.
They talked about details. Who will buy the tickets? What time should they meet? Should they bring snacks? Each question brought more laughter. Each answer brought more excitement. Finally, Sunday arrived. And guess what? The weather was perfect. The sky was blue, the sun was shining, no rain at all. The park was full of people. Friends, families, children, couples, all smiling. In the center, a big stage was ready. Lights were shining. Speakers were loud. The music started. Guitars, drums, voices full of energy. The crowd clapped and sang. Anna shouted,
This is amazing!
Tom smiled.
Yes, music makes everything better.
David stood still, listening quietly. His eyes shone with joy. And so, from a simple rainy day in a cafe, the three friends created a new memory together. Let's review. Remember the important words from this story. Umbrella, something you use when it rains. Rainy day, a day full of rain. Cozy cafe, a warm and comfortable cafe. Hot chocolate, a sweet, hot drink. Coffee, a hot drink from beans. Tea, a hot drink from leaves. Concert, a live music show. Ticket, a piece of paper that lets you enter. Park, a public green area. Childhood memories, things you remember from when you were young. Do you remember these words? Say them again. Repeat them slowly. Now think, if you were Anna, what drink would you order? If you were Tom, would you go to the concert? If you were David, would you remember your umbrella? Pause and answer in English. Thank you for listening until the end. Don't forget, in the description, there's a free PDF file. It includes this transcript, vocabulary, and small exercises. Download it, practice with it, then listen to this story again. The more you listen, the more you learn. Every day, one story. Every day, one step forward. Keep listening, keep learning, and never give up. See you in the next video.